Hello! Thanks for joining us today. We are Let's Go Now Adventures, and we are down here in southern Utah at Sand Hollow State Park. We're just going to give you a quick look at this magnificent place. So Sand Hollow is one of Utah's newest state parks. It opened in 2003 and is now one of Utah's most visited state parks. So it's located in the southwest corner of Utah in the town of Hurricane, where you're just 15 miles from St. George and only 45 minutes to Zion's National Park. So Sand Hollow, it's known for its red sandy beaches and its visually stunning red rock formations. So what is it about Sand Hollow State Park that attracts so many people? Well, one thing, that red rock and the red sand, where they come together and meet the crystal clear blue water, the contrast with the red and the blue, it is just absolutely spectacular. Now, we spent the day kayaking, and can I just tell you, it was so much fun and so beautiful. There's not many places that in the middle of the desert that can bring you a refreshing, beautiful reservoir that's surrounded by mountains and red rock. So a lot of people come down here for water sports. Boating, fishing, cliff jumping, so many fun things to do on the water, and of course, swimming. Now this is Murphy, our Newfoundland. He loves swimming, and he jumped in to cool off because the summers down here get really hot. So just be prepared if you come down because there's not a lot of shade at the reservoir. Or just plan on jumping in the water to cool off. That always works. So if you're coming down to camp, there are two campgrounds. The west side, which is pictured here, offers 50 sites, all full hookups. There's covered picnic tables and fire rings, which makes it nice. So just remember, if you want the hookups, you probably want to book on the west side. Now, on the south side, that is where the Sand Pit Campground is. Now, the Sand Pit Campground is much more primitive, but it does allow you to drive your ATV right up to your campsite, which is such a bonus because so many people come down here with their ATVs. ATV riding is so popular down here. It has the perfectly sculpted sand dunes for open riding as well as technical trails where you can test your skills. And can I just say, they have these wonderful picnic sites right on the water's edge. You could make such a fun day of just relaxing and playing in the water. Oh, and for your recreation needs, the beach at Sand Hollow has everything you would need, from rentals of ATVs to kayaks, paddle boards, and even jet skis, plus a restaurant if you want to go in and cool down. So we just had a great couple days down here, and well, it's camping. We were able to reconnect with the beauty that this place offers. Oh, and also reconnect with each other. It was fun and it was relaxing. We really enjoyed ourselves. So this was just a quick look at what you can look forward to if you come down and book your vacation here at Sand Hollow. So happy camping, and we'll see you on the next adventure.